Welcome guys, I'm going to share with you what came in the March Paper Pumpkin kit. These kits are awesome for you beginner paper crafters. So in the kit, this is the Mountain Magic kit that comes with a free stencil set. It comes with a sponge as well as 4 stencils. This kit contains supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. They also have Paper Pumpkin on YouTube that has tips and tricks on how to use your stencils. Okay, the stencils that was included in this kit is cloud stencils, mountain stencils, a starburst, as well as some night stars. I also received some baker's twine as well as some mini dimensionals. The ink spot that came with this was in the color Calypso Coral. So I got my Photo Palmer stamp set. Instead of the white envelopes, they provided craft envelopes. I also got some printed envelope liners. The base of the card, that's in the petal pink. It's already pre-stamped. That part I don't really care for. I prefer to decorate the front of my cards myself. They included printed cards front layers as well as some white die cut labels, and then they also included printed die cuts. And the other base of the card is in a darker color, which is a pre-peacock. They have die cuts of trees as well as some glue dots. It also came with an instructional sheet on how to put your projects together. Thank you guys for tuning in to my Creative Corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.